Hi, Dryft here. It's a fine day and it's the weekend. So, you know what that means? That means we can get the R8 out and you guys can have a good look at it. Another thing that's going to happen today is a Facebook friend of mine, Adam, is coming around to take some footage with his drone as we drive along in the R8. So I'll be incorporating some of that footage in one of my YouTube videos, or maybe even the one with chapter 3 of how a Mitsubishi Delica van turned into being a R8 parked in my garage. So anyway, let's uncover the R8 and get that out for a start. Right back at you. Oh, here it is. Here's my Audi R8. Silver, red and black. It was mostly silver and black. We had the red calipers when I first got it, but I've added some touches of pinstriping. I've just temporarily put the badge back on. I've got a new badge. That's the old badge, but I just put it on temporarily. I'm waiting for the paint to harden. I'm told it's about 60 days after being painted before you can put clear wrap on, and this has been about 40 days, I suppose, since the front of the car was repainted. It had some scratches and a lot of 14 years with stone chips, so the whole front has been repainted. There's no stone chips. The grills have been repainted, clear coated. I redid the pinstriping around the grill. I put all the pinstriping on the headlights originally. That was alright, the headlights were out anyway, and the bonnet. And I had the door handles repainted. There are a few scratches around the door handles, especially the back of the passenger one, but that's all been refreshed, so it's pretty much like new. I added the 40mm thick wide stripes on the side blades. That's just vinyl wrap material. I got a big sheet and then I sliced a 40mm wide band and put them on the side blades to sort of go with the red calipers and the red and black and silver theme of the car. When I bought the car, I had the number plate made up. Well, I got the custom plate ordered before I even took possession of it. I'll go into that story of when I obtained the car, but I put that plate on the day I brought it home, and I had the decals for the side lapels on the plate, Euro plate style, made up at a printing office onto vinyl. I digitized the logos. It says my R8 Ferrari for breakfast, double entendre on R8 and 8 a Ferrari, my R8 a Ferrari for breakfast. Just a bit of a laugh, and even the Ferrari owners laugh when they have a good laugh. I've made a couple of friends who have Ferraris who've commented that they think that's a hoot, so just a bit of fun. Here we are. The weather's not as fine as it was. There's a bit of blue sky still left up there. It isn't raining yet, and hopefully it'll stay fine so we can get out there for a drive and get some footage as well. Let's have a look inside the car too while we're here, so have a look inside. Oh, unlock. I've put a few aftermarket bits. It's got laser lenses that shine the logo down on the ground, and you can see them in the night time. You can't see them now. I've got these little cover plates that go over where the screw in the latch. This cover slides around and sticks over there with R8 on. Carbon fiber look, but it's not carbon fiber. And there's R8 logos on the headrests. There's some cool Audi placemats that fit snugly into the bottom of the cup holder, and I've got the aluminium extensions on the paddle shifters. I just like the red aluminium. There's not enough carbon fiber on here to sort of get the carbon fiber ones. Oh, I could change them later. They just double-sided tape onto the back of the existing paddles. There they are. They sort of have a indentation that's the same shape as the existing paddle, and it just puts the extensions on there quite good, and quite a nice touch. I quite like it anyway. Here we are. You see with the sun visors on the R8, they don't fall down from the back, they fall down from the front and tilt down like that. That's how the sun visors work on an R8. They're quite different than any other cars I've been in like, they were like that. There we are. Alright, well, that's the R8. Look from this side as well. It's pretty much like new now, with the paint having been touched up, and I've cleaned this car up and refurbished everything. Everything in it is like brand new, even though it's 14 going on 15 years old. Oh well, hopefully the weather will stay nice enough for us to get out for a run.
Hey, I'm Adam. This is my little racing FPV drone that we use to be following the R8 today, so that'll be a bit of fun. Try not to crash into it, but nah, it should be good. Hopefully get some good shots, but the weather's not too good, but we'll see what we can do, see what we get out of it.
Well, at least it's not raining.
Yeah, definitely, and the wind's down, which helps as well.
Yeah.
But,
just have a look a little bit closer at the drone.
So you build it up yourself, and then so you got a little camera there that you actually see out of with some goggles on your head.
Yep.
And then obviously GoPro, and then lithium-ion battery, and then yeah, it's quite small, but that means it can be quite agile, and you can play around a bit more with it. But,
wow, it doesn't look like a lot, like much, eh? It's pretty basic, but yeah, it's sweet. Yep, light.
But yeah.
All right.
Goes pretty well.
Oh well, we're going to jump in the R8 and we'll go find a place where we can see how this thing goes.
Sweet.
All right.
Let's
Cheers.
go.
If you're in the Palmerston North area and you've got some aerial work that might be suitable for photography with a drone, hit me up on Instagram. That's Dryft, one word, or email driftkanewi@gmail.com, and I can put you in touch with Adam. He might even do it for free. He's just looking for stuff to gain experience with that drone of his. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. The aerial footage that Adam took looks pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with that. Of course, when you're following a Audi R8 with a drone remotely from the passenger seat with a heads-up display sort of in your face, there are chances that it might not all go according to plan at 60-70 kilometers an hour. And we had a mishap. I will upload the bloopers reel separately to this, so have a look out for the bloopers reel. If you want to be alerted when it comes out, click on the subscribe. That's all from me. See you next time.